and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have got a drugstore only makeup look. So as usual guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's get to it. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm going to mix two shades. I've got 330 and 110. And then into that I'm going to add some Rimmel Sun Shimmer. And then I'm going to use that again to contour, so just this dark colour. Just to gently shape the face. And then I'm going to use some Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well. I want to keep it really natural, so I'm just using this big buffing brush for everything. So to get a bit of shine in the cheeks, I'm going to use an Essence lipstick as a blush. And to get a little bit of like glow on the cheeks, I'm going to use some Rimmel London Oh My Gloss. I know to some people it seems mad putting lip products anywhere else in the face, but you can get really creative with your mediums. Like, you definitely don't have to use them just where they're like intended for. That's just sort of like a money making thing. You can use anything anywhere, so long as you're not using anything that's going to sort of like damage the skin or make it too heavy, you're absolutely fine. On the brows, I'm going to use the Revolution Pro brow pencil. This is so good. It's literally such a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, but it's so much cheaper. I do find these a little bit warm in colour though. This is Gosh Defining Brow Gel. So I'm just going to go in with some bronzes today. Such a nice colour. Maybe a bit of a darker bronze at the edge. A little bit underneath, so let's put a little bit of this light colour. Right, now I think I've got some fallout, so let's get rid of that. Just going to get right in there. I'm just going to add a little bit on the top, which I'm going to smudge out. I'm just going to go over that with the powder brush again. Okay, so lip liner I'm going to use NYX Nude Beige. I'm then going to use MUA Acrylic Gloss. This smells so nice. I'm going to use some Collection Bronze Glow Mosaic. So that is the look complete.